How to uninstall the WeCash app. So first, go ahead and open settings on your Android device. Then tap on the search bar at the top of your screen and type in apps. Then tap on the first option. Then tap on manage apps, which is right below system app settings. After tapping on manage apps, you'll again see a search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it and type in WeCash. Then you'll see three options on the bottom of your screen: force stop, uninstall and clear data. Simply tap on the middle option called uninstall, then tap on OK to confirm your decision. And after a few moments, the WeCash app will be uninstalled from your device. And it is that easy. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.